So there's no getting around the fact that when you have to apply contact lenses, you will have to use your bare hands to do it. Now, using dirty hands can of course cause infections in the eye. So it's important that whenever you're handling your contact lenses, be it putting them on or removing them and putting them in the case or handling the solution for the contact lens, that you wash and sanitize your hands before doing so. If you want to avoid all these issues with respect to contact lens storage, it would be better for you if you used daily disposable contact lenses, especially if the usage of your contact lens is not that frequent. The duration of usage of the contact lens should not be more than 6 to 8 hours. Using it for more time can cause more dryness and allergies and irritation and of course infections. The biggest no-no, however, for the contact lens use would be to not use it overnight. Using it overnight can definitely lead to infections and most patients come to us with this complaint. Also, when you're wearing your contact lenses, do not go for swimming. This can also lead to terrible infections in the eye and it can lead to loss of the eyes as well. So it's important not to do this. There are certain eye drops that can be used along with contact lenses, especially if you face dryness, which is a common problem with contact lens. So it's important that you contact your ophthalmologist to decide which drop is ideal for you, because not every drop would be useful to be used along with the contact lens. So which drop is ideal, they would be telling you the best. Thank you.